Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you a healthcare provider ready to take your continuous professional development to the next level? The Ghana Health Service e-learning platform is your gateway to essential accredited training, but first you need to get registered. That is, if you don't have your credentials already. And in this video, we are going to take you through step by step how to navigate the registration process, fill your details correctly, and successfully create your own account. Let's dive right into how to register and start learning or taking courses on the e-learning platform. So first of all, you need a very good browser for this registration process, and I will recommend the use of Chrome, and this is how Chrome interface looks like. So when you get there, you need to set up, and then in the search engine you type in Ghana Health Service or GHS learner.vessel.app. just as you can see me typing in the search bar. As you can see, it has already popped up, so you can select it or click on it, and then it will take you to this interface, which is the landing page for the registration process. So you first of all need to type in your details, and it starts with your first name. So you type in your first name, and mine is Amma. The second one is your last name, and just as you can see me typing in my last name, you also do same. For the date of birth, you need to click on the year 2000, and then you scroll through to select your date of birth. For the sake of this exercise, I'm just going to select 1999, and then the month, you can use the arrow there to select your month, and then the day. You also have to select your sex. In this case, I will select female. Then you come to your email. It is very important that you key in the correct email, because that is the email address that your credentials will be sent to. So as you can see, I am typing mine in atity.at@gmail.com. Then your phone number. For this exercise, I'm just going to key in any phone number. And then proceed to the next item. Now you will also be asked if you are a staff of Ghana Health Service, and of course you have to select yes. You key in your staff ID. It is very important. That will tell the system that you are indeed a Ghana Health Service staff. Then you choose your cadre. So we have a lot of cadre. I am a public health nurse, and so I selected a public health nurse. So we have direct service provider for the category of staff: manager, policymaker, academia or teaching, advocacy, researcher, and then others. So if you are a service provider, then you have to select the direct service provider. If you are a manager, a policymaker, if you are a lecturer, if you are an advocate or a researcher, you select. And then if it is any other thing aside what has been listed here, you select others. Then for the sake of this exercise, I will select 2 for the number of years that I have worked in the Ghana Health Service. But of course, I'm more than 2 years. Then you select the region, which is Greater Accra. I work in Greater Accra. And then your district. So you scroll through. It has been arranged alphabetically, so it'll be easy for you to identify your district and then your sub-district. And then you also select your facility type. My facility type is the polyclinic, and also you have to select the preferred learning style. So we have the oral, we have the visual, the physical, social, solitary, logical, and then verbal. This helps the back end developers to know the kind of things, or the instructional designers to know the kind of learners that they have, so that when they are designing the courses, they would know what to include in the content. I would go for the physical or the kinesthetic kind of learner, because I would want to touch things, I would want to see things, I would want to have a feel of whatever that I am learning, and that would help me with my learning process. So you also have to know that your learning style and then select accordingly. Then we come to your technological proficiency level, and so you will be asked whether your proficiency level in technology is excellent, very good, good, poor, or very poor. Then you select likewise. If you're very good, if you're a tech savvy, then excellent. If you have some in-depth knowledge about technology, very good, you can select good. In this case, I am very good in technology, so I would go for that. And then you also have to select your preferred device. I usually use my phone to take courses, so I would select my mobile phone, but you can also select the laptop, the tablet, any device that you prefer. You have to select it, and then voila, you are done. So you click on register me. I have credentials already, so for me not to burden the system, I'm not going to click on register me, but for you, you have to click on register me, so that your credentials will be sent to the very email that you provided the system with, and then you can go ahead to take courses. So this is how you register for the e-learning platform. And that is it. You are officially registered and ready to learn on the Ghana Health Service e-learning platform. You've taken a huge step towards advancing your skills and contributing to a better healthcare in Ghana. Now that your account is set up, go ahead and explore the course catalog. I will take you through how to navigate on the platform in my next video. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and follow for more. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.